turmeric in any form, whether it is turmeric lattes or hot water with turmeric, which you can gargle half the glass for your throat and oral nasal passage, and drink a little bit of it for your gut lining as well. You could make fresh haldi pickles. You could do haldi in so many different forms. Yes, haldi is a great way to step up your immunity because, like I said, it's antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, antimicrobial. So it really helps you boost up your immune level 2, 3, 4 notches higher. It keeps your fort strong. It keeps your resistance good. So please enjoy the turmeric in any form that you like. A homemade fresh concoction of a herbal tea that you can make, like an Indian kadha, the Ayurvedic kadha, is excellent for your immunity. So use all the ingredients that our forefathers used. For example, whole pepper balls, cinnamon, clove, fresh tulsi, neem, a fresh haldi, ginger, and boil all of this with little ajwain and jeera, and boil all of this and make a nice kadha and have it piping hot, one shot in the morning. It's great for your oral health, it's great for your throat, it's also a very good immune booster. So yes, Ayurvedic kadhas is an excellent way to boost up your immunity. Well, I think according to me, it's one of the best times to lose weight. We have no kitty parties, weddings, functions, planes to catch, conferences to attend, or social obligation eating to do. We have to eat from our kitchen, which can spice up all good, healthy, tasty meals. We have time on our hands. Yes, we may not have access to a gym or a park, but we can even exercise if our room is that small. There are so many online exercises that are being shown to us that can be done in your home and still giving you a good cardiovascular heart rate jump, which is helping you burn the calories. You don't have access to the wrong food unless you're going to say, I have to eat well to please my tongue. Well, everybody likes to do that because we're trying to diffuse the stress by stress eating. But I think the best time to lose weight during Corona time is to eat well, eat balanced. Please do not skew towards diets that make you omit one major food group and say, please don't eat carbs, please don't eat fats. Those are not the diets you want to do, especially not today. Now is when you have to eat a balanced plate. Find out your metabolic rate. It's very easy to do so. Look at online calculators. Calculate your metabolic rate. Eat according to that. Exercise 60 minutes every day. Drink ample water. I think it's one of the most conducive times to lose weight. At least that's what all my clients are doing. They're giving me great weight loss, double in fact of what they do otherwise. Mangoes per se do have a tad bit more sugar content per serving as compared to the other fruits, which is why for diabetics I usually say keep it about 50 grams, which is half a serving of a fruit at one time, versus the other non-sweet fruits such as apples and pears can be eaten 100 grams at a time by diabetics. The sweeter ones like mango, banana, chiku, sitafal, grapes have to be kept at about 50 grams per time that they eat. So maybe they can have like half a mango at like 4 p.m. and the other half again at 6 p.m. but don't have it together. That's a smart way to eat your fruit and get the good benefits out of it and not spike up your sugar levels.